Hey everybody, I'm back. Get excited. So today I'm coming to you with double crochet braid stitch. Yeah, double crochet braid stitch. And this is one of the dresses that I've done with it. And I just want to do a quick video to show you how to do a braid stitch pattern, which is very important when you're designing crochet clothing or crochet designs. So I'm going to do a chain of 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's my change is 20.
This takes a lot of work.
It's fly.
It really started when I was young. But 2 years ago, I decided to go ahead and launch my collection. So I did my first launch back in February for Passion Week. So crochet became very natural to me. So
Nice.
I was out of work for like 4 years. So I couldn't use my feet to sew. So I decided to go ahead and just use my hands.
Hey everybody, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited. So I did my change of 20. I'm going to chain up 2 more. 1, 2, and then I'm going to go across my first row with the first stitch I'm going to do is a single crochet, then double crochet, single crochet, then double crochet. Alrighty, so I'm going to single crochet into the second stitch, which is right here, and then I'm gonna do a half double crochet. So it's going to be single crochet, then half double crochet. And this is going to give you the braid stitch. I'm sorry, folks, I'm left-handed. Y'all know that. So I'm going to single crochet in the next one. Single crochet. Then half double crochet. Single crochet. Then half double crochet. And this is what you're going to do in your first row all the way across. And it begins to look like that. So you single crochet like that, and you do a half double crochet going all the way across. So single crochet, half double crochet all the way across, and I get back to you when I get to the end. Okay, so I'm at the end. So your last stitch, it should be a single crochet. Okay, make sure your last stitch is a single crochet. Then that's what the first row looked like. Then you're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to turn to work. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to do double crochet going all the way across. So double crochet all the way across, like so. Double crochet all the way across, like so. So you just want to double crochet all the way across, people. You could do double crochet, triple crochets, whatever stitch you want to do. That's up to you. That's basically up to you. Ah, that looks nice. So you do that all the way across, like so. So did you guys enjoy my 2020 style video from last year? My 5 top outfits for 2020. If you didn't see it, check it out, folks. So this is what this begins to look like. You're going to do double crochet, triple crochet, whatever you want to do. That's up to you. And you do that all the way to the end of your row. And take it from there. Alrighty, folks. So let me do one more double crochet. Like so. Like that. That's how that's going to look all the way across the row. Get excited, everybody. Get excited about life. I need you guys to hit the notification button so you know when I upload my video. Subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you think about my stitch videos. Get excited, everybody. And welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my page. Thank you for those that's been sharing out my page. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's how that is. And we do that all the way to the end of our row. And the reason why I do stitch patterns, because it's good to know patterns when you get ready to design clothing for crochet. And that's one main reason why I do this stitch patterns, because you need to know different stitches in order to make your designs pop. Different patterns. So that's why I focus on the stitch patterns a lot. And it looks like that. Look at that. It's pretty. Get excited, everybody. Tell me what you think. So just gonna double crochet right here. And one more double crochet at the end. Like so. Then I'm chain 2 and turn your work. Get excited, everybody. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my God. Drop a like on this video, everybody. Get excited. Alrighty. So after you chain up 2, you're going to turn your work. You're going to skip this space here. You're going into the next one. You're going to do a single crochet. You're going to start your row off with a single crochet. Single crochet like so. Then you're going to do a half double crochet into the next one. And that's going to give you the give your garment it's going to give you a pattern, the braid look. Okay, so single crochet like so, then half double crochet into the next space like so, single crochet. You guys getting this? Half double crochet. Get excited, everybody. So we're just going to single crochet. And everyone should know how to do a single crochet by now that's watching my videos. Half double crochet. And if you don't know, let me show you. So the next one is single crochet. You go into the space, pull through like that, pull over like that, and that gives you a single crochet. Get excited, everybody. And a half double crochet, you chain over like that, go into space, pull through like so, then chain over again like so, you see, and pull through everything. Get excited, everybody. So single crochet and half double crochet. Now look how that pattern is starting to look. You get excited about life, folks. I'll be back when I get. Okay, folks, we're at the end. So you want to end off with a single crochet. So chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to turn your work, and you're going to do your double crochets going all the way across. So this is what your braid pattern look like so far, everybody. Look at that. That's the back. You can wear it either side. That's up to you. But I love this pattern. Get excited. So just do a double crochet going all the way across. Oops, I messed that up. Skip that space. Go into the next one. Go to the next double crochet. Straighten up the thing. Double crochet all the way down to the end of your row, and then that'll be it, folks. Now when you end off your row, you want to end off with the half double crochet and the single crochets. Alrighty. Yeah, that's how you want to do that. You want to end your pattern off, or your design, your outfit off with the first row that you started with, which is single crochet and half double crochet. So right now we're just doing double crochets. Alrighty, folks. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. Don't forget to tell me what you think. Don't just forget to subscribe and share the video with somebody else you know. And don't forget to check out the rest of my videos, everybody. Get excited. I have a Facebook group called the Crochet Designer Group. I will drop that information in the comment section. And we talk about a lot of runway fashion because I love runway fashion. So this is what the pattern look like so far. What you guys think? What do you think? So I love runway patterns. So that's basically what the group is all about, helping other crochet designers like myself get runway, create their runway collection, and you know, get knowledge on runway fashion for crochet designers. Get excited. So check us out, alright, folks? Don't forget to tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the ring-a-ding, ding, 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 ding bell button, folks. I'm going to show you what the dress look like, but this is what the pattern look like. Look how pretty that is. This is a simple 2-row design that anybody can do. It's easy. It's not complicated, but you want to make sure your pattern is outstanding when you're doing runway designs. It's all about the details in the pattern. Okay, so this is the last one. This is the last double crochet that I'm going to do. And don't forget, you start your you end your pattern off with your first row, which is your single crochet and your double crochets. Get excited, everybody. All right, everybody, so this is the dress that I designed. I'm going to drop a picture on it so you can see what it really looks like. Look at that. Look at that. I love this. Oh my God. It looks, to me, it looks better in person than on video. So that's what it looks like. Look just like that. So you guys tell me what you think. Don't forget, thank you so much for stopping by my page. I appreciate you watching my videos. Until next time, everyone, get excited. Get super excited. Get super excited, everybody. Later, later, later. Get excited, everybody. Oh, and if you guys are wondering what yarn I'm using, because I had somebody ask me the quality of yarn that I'm using. Quality make a difference. I'm using the, I hope I'm saying it right, the Karen 1 pound yarn by Yarn Inspiration. I love this brand. I love the texture of it. I love the quality of it, which makes it different. And I believe, I don't know. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be, let me see. I think it's acrylic. I can't quite see it, but anyway, I'll drop it in the comment section. So this is another good yarn to use if you're interested in finding out different yarn for your designs. Alrighty, folks. Later, later, later. Get excited. Get excited. Later, folks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.